Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Today's video is on You Should See Me in a Crown, and it's on the ukulele, so let's get started. So this song is going to be quick and easy to learn. Looking at the structure for it, the verse 1, verse 2, and bridge are the same. And then on the chorus, it's going to be a little different, but it's still pretty easy. So let's start off with learning the chords. Alright, so there's only 2 chords for this. The first one is going to be an A flat minor. And then just taking off the pinky is going to be a B. So just these 2 chords here, A flat minor and B. Alright, so starting with the verse and the bridge, since they are the same, I came up with 2 ways that you guys can play it. One is going to be the finger picking, and then the second one is going to be a strum pattern. So here's the example of the finger picking. And then for this one, we're going to use a strum pattern of down strums. So the strum pattern that I'm going to be using is 8 down strums, and we're going to be playing that 2 times for each chord. As I play it, I'll count it out so you guys can also hear it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for the picking, we're going to keep the shape of the chords, and we're just going to be using the 3 bottom strings for this, okay? So let's start on the C string, 3rd fret. Then again. And then taking off the pinky, we're going to play the B. Then one more time. So with that, we're going to put those 2 parts together, and let's see how it sounds like. So for the chorus, we're only going to be using 1 chord, which is the A flat minor. And it's going to be, so there's 8 counts in it, but we're only going to be doing 7 down strums. And on the 8th one, we're just going to leave an empty space there. So as we play it, I'll count it out for you guys, and you guys can kind of hear how it sounds like. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now this last part for the chorus, I'm going to play the melody with my guitar and the ukulele instead of singing it, since I don't sing. But I'll play it so that you guys can hear how the chorus is, you guys can sing with the lyrics. 1, 2, 3. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and also go check out my other videos like this on the ukulele.
ukulele or guitar. And I guess I'll see you guys on the next one.